In this video, I'll show you how to make Canva background transparent. First, create your canvas and then add elements or image in your canvas. Let's say I want to add this image to my canvas, and you can color the background. Let's say I want to add this color in my background, and now I want to remove the image background. So let's say you don't want this background with this image. You just need to get this image without background. How you can download this image without your background? Just click share button. Now click download button, and there are a few options available. First, select the image is as PNG and then click transparent background. When you click transparent background, you can download your image without the color of the background or anything in the background. But let me share another thing. The background transparency feature is available only for Pro member. You will see there is a crown button. That means this feature is available for only Canva Pro user. Now click the download button and see your image is downloaded without background. And now let's try it download with background, how it will look like. Now again select PNG, and now I don't want to select transparent background. I just want to download this with background. Now the images look like this. Now compare these two images. This one is with background and this one is without background. So this way you can make your Canva design without background, or you can make your Canva design transparent. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please throw the comment below. I read every comment and reply one by one. Thanks.